Hello readers, and thank you for joining me for lesson number 2 on final stable syllables. This final stable syllables we're going to be looking at this week, as we said yesterday, were tion, sion, and le. And as a reminder, a final stable syllable is an ending syllable, which means we're working with multisyllabic words, that has its own combination of letters that makes the same sound whenever it is used. Now, these two in particular, tion and sion, I know that if we were breaking them up and tapping the sounds, it would make multiple sounds. The ti and si both say sh, and then the o is a schwa, and then an n. So I do know that. However, before we get started practicing blending, I want to practice writing. So let's get out our paper and pencil, dry erase board and marker, and we're going to write each one 3 times each. And then as we write it, I want you to make the sound it makes. Let's start with tion. Let's write it 3 times and make the sound 3 times. Let's get started. Shun. 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 Now, let's do sion. Shun. 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 And last, let's do le, which says ol. 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 Thank you for doing that with me. That actually helps you remember it better when we practice writing it and saying it at the same time. And that's what I want you to do. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's do some blending. Let's go ahead and get started. Sound. F. Sound. Put that together. Fur. I. Put that together. Frack. Put that together. Fraction. Fraction. You might have worked with fractions in math. Sound. A. Sound. D. Put that together. Add. I. Put that together. Addition. Addition. Speaking of math, you may have done some addition there too. Sound. Sound. Eh. Put that together. Man. Put that together. Man. Shun. Mansion. A big house is often called a mansion. Sound. E. Sound. Put that together. E-R-O. Put that together. Erosion. Erosion. When water goes over land, it wipes away dirt, which causes erosion. Sound. A. Sound. Ng. Put that together. Angle. Angle. Speaking of math again, we know that a triangle has 3 angles at the vertices. Sound. S. Sound. P. Put that together. Sp. R. Put that together. Spark. Put that together. Spark. Ol. Sparkle. When things shine bright, they sparkle. Next, let's go over some sounds we've already learned this year. These are some blends, digraphs, and vowel teams. Say these with me. Pull. Sk. Stir. Cur. O. Spool. Sh. Or. F. Oi. O. Mp. E. E. oi. And IE makes two sounds. It says E and it says I. Now, let's get started on some silent blending. Keep in mind that they all have these final stable syllables and they're all multisyllabic words. Let's get started. Don't say the word till it's all on the screen. Invention. Exclusion. Freckle. Imagination is a big word. Inclusion. Crumble. Equation. Conversion. Crackle. Audition. Extension. Maple. Now, there's some new words here for us. You may want to pause here for a minute and see if you can figure out what they mean, maybe how to use them in a sentence and learn some new words now that you can read them. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Until next time, happy reading.